Hello viewers, hope you all are well. Today I'm going to show that how you can hide your friend list from Facebook. So before I start, I want to say if you are watching my video first time, you can subscribe my channel to get latest technology related video. So okay, let's start. At first you have to log into your Facebook ID. Then you have to go to setting. From click here, then go to setting and privacy. From here go to settings, and then you have to go to privacy option. Just wait. So here is some feature you can manage. You can edit all this section. At first here is the option that privacy shortcuts. We don't need this. Your activity, if you want to change this option, here is some option who can see your future posts, public, review all your posts and that you are targeting. So here is another option that how people find and contact you. So if you want to hide your friend list, from here you can change this option who can see your friend list. Also here is another option that who can send you friend request. There is another option if you want to, you can do this friends of friends, not everyone. So if you want to hide your friend list from anyone, so then you have to click this option edit, and here is the option as you want. You can choose any one of this. If you want to public, so that anybody can see your friend list. Only friends will see your friend list. Friends exceptional, something else. Specific friends, if you want to specific a friend that only he or she can see your friend list. Here is another option, only me. Customize, there is lots of option if you want to choose a friends. So if you really want to hide your friend list from everyone, you can select only me. As here showing, I always try to hide my friend list so that nobody can recognize that how much friend I have in Facebook. This could be a security purpose. Okay, so after click on only me, then you have to go to your profile. I'm going to my profile. Let's check it, is it okay or not. From click here, view as. So here is public view on my profile. So here is the option friends. Look at here, no friends to show. Okay, that means it work. So viewers, no more today. Talk to you later. Bye.